morning everyone, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video I figured we'd do a little get ready with me slash a day in the life of a stay-at-home mom. I don't have too much to do today. I do have 2 grocery orders that I need to pick up. One is from Aldi, and then on the way home we're gonna stop at Giant and pick up a few things, because if you shop at Aldi, you guys know you can't always find everything that you need. So we're gonna do that once we get home. I'm gonna put little man down for a nap, and then once he's asleep we're gonna clean out the fridge, because I honestly don't think I've done that since we moved into this house and it is atrocious. So I will show you guys that in a little bit, but for now let's get ready. So before I actually do my makeup, I just wanted to show you guys what I'm using, and this is Saint Beauty. I've used this for a few months now, and I honestly don't think I'm ever going to go back to using my actual makeup. It is so convenient as a stay-at-home mom. My husband's active duty military, so it's just me, and spending a half hour on my makeup sometimes is just very unrealistic, and it just can't happen. So this is an all-in-one little compact. It's very messy right now. So you have your concealer, which is like they call them highlights, but you have your concealer, your foundation, your contour, your bronzer, and then your blush. But these are called lip and cheeks, so they can actually be used for your lips and your cheeks. And then in the next side, we have my highlighters. This one's actually a perfume highlight, smells amazing. And then I have my brow wax. So let's do my makeup. So here's a little close-up of what it looks like before you blend it out. This is the easiest way to apply it. You literally just throw it on and then buff it out. As far as my outfit of the day, I'm wearing this black crop tank from Target, these mom shorts also from Target, and my reef sandal slides. Is that what they are? I don't know. But yeah, we gotta go. Okay, so we're home. I got everything inside. Here's just like a little overview of what we got. Not too much, but here's Aiden. Sour cream, cottage cheese, some fruits, spinach, Lunchables, milk, juices, yogurts, veggies, some bread back there, condiments, muffins, eggs, meat, chicken, hamburger, and then this is from Giant. We love this ranch. They gave me the wrong Red Bulls. I'm supposed to get so noisy. I'm supposed to get the sugar-free ones, and yeah, we're just gonna have to live with it. And then Fresca. If you have not had Fresca, what are you doing? We've got everything back in. It's nice and clean. Everything has a home. And now it's time to work on this mess. I didn't want to bore you guys by taking everything out, so I went ahead and did that. And guys, this is what I mean by atrocious. Look at how disgusting that is. The inside of the fridge wasn't honestly as bad as I was expecting, but this, yeah. I'm going to spend the rest of the evening relaxing and playing with my kiddos. If you guys enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.